start the geography textbook, and we are starting with the first chapter, representation of the geographical features. Last year you studied a little bit about the geographical features about the Earth and our planet, and now we are going to little bit detailed studies. Geography is a study of interrelationship between physical features on the Earth surface and the human activities. There is a connection. The physical features of our Earth surface and the human activities. Geography narrating this much things. And geography has on its own device to help the explanation, which are the things globe, map, atlas, models, chart, diagram, photographs, and study materials. These all things help to study the Earth and its features detailed. And the Survey of India making or publishing the map for our country. They made the actual field survey in earlier times, and but now publishing all the physical features of our country's land surface. The Survey of India is in charge of surveying and mapping our country. It is a 250 years old organization set up in 1767 by the East India Company. Between 1802 and 1871, it had surveyed and mapped the entire subcontinent. And another important, the maps show the details of landforms, drainage patterns, land use, settlement patterns, transport, forest, cultural features. These all things providing the topographical sheet or maps or topo sheets. The Survey of India makes the topo sheet on the different scales, such as 1:25,000 or 1:50,000, like that. Several scale measures they are using in the construction of the maps. And every maps we can see two types of lines in black color: vertical lines and the horizontal line. Horizontal line is known as parallels or latitudes. Vertical lines is known as meridians or longitude. On a topo sheet, it is difficult to calculate exact latitude and longitude of a place. To solve this problem, a set of vertical and horizontal lines made in red color. Again, a set of vertical and horizontal lines drawn in the red color. That red color lines intersect each other and make a grid. This system is known as arbitrary grid system. This system is known as the arbitrary grid system. Then next topic is the use of the colors on a topo sheet. Different colors are using on a topo sheet. Blue, red, yellow, brown, green, black, several colors we are using it. Blue color, we know it every place the water bodies is showing, which means it including the oceans, seas, lakes, river, pond, well, all water bodies showing by blue color. Red color is using to show settlement. Red color is always using to show the settlement. It is also include road, track, and arbitrary grid lines. These all things also show in red color. Yellow color is used to show the cultivated area. The cultivated area is shown by the yellow color. Brown color is using the contours and numbering and form lines. It is also used to show the sand dunes and sand hills. Brown color. Green color to show forested and wooded areas, orchards, trees, etc. Forest area, thickly forest area shown by green color. Black color is used to show all names, boundaries, railway lines, telephone lines, telegraph lines, parallels and meridians, longitude lines and latitude lines, and surveyed trees. These many things shown in black color in the map. And now the use of the scale. In every map we can see the scale. In India we follow the metric system in which long distance we are measuring in the kilometer and short distance we are measuring in centimeter or inch. Long distance we are measuring in the kilometer, km. The distance between any 2 points on a map measured a long straight line is called map distance. We can see 2 places shown in map that measured by a straight line. That distance is known as map distance in map or topographical sheet. The distance between the same place, we suppose Barnagar and Ujjain. In the Ujjain district map, we identified the position of Barnagar and we identified the position of Ujjain, and we make a straight line from Barnagar to Ujjain, and approximately we find out 5 centimeter. That distance is known as map distance. And again we come to the real fact when we calculating actually from Barnagar to Ujjain, how much kilometer is there? 50 kilometers. That distance is known as the ground distance, the real distance. The distance between the same 2 places on ground measures along straight line is called ground distance. The ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is known as the scale. The ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is known as the scale. And there are 3 types of scales were there. We can show the scale into 3 categories: by the statement, by the representative fraction, by the graphic or linear scale. First one, in statement method, the scale expressed in words such as 2 centimeter is to 5 kilometer. We can see in every map, below the map we can scale is written there. 1 centimeter is to 5 kilometer, otherwise 2 centimeter is to 5 kilometer, otherwise 5 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. Like that, written below the map. 2 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. In this statement, 2 centimeter is the map distance and the 5 kilometer is the ground distance. This is a quick and easy method to using the scale in measuring the distance in the map. And the statement method can be only used by those who are familiar with the unit of measurement given in a statement. And some drawbacks: when the map enlarged or reduced in size, it is very difficult to measure it. This is the drawbacks of the statement method. Thank you.